Hey everyone, Michael Tiny Soul. Today is Wednesday, May 25th at 9:36 p.m. and this is Forex trading analysis for Thursday, May 26, 2011. Let's start with the euro here. The euro got a break out of this little coil. This was Wednesday's session and it did form another inside candle, so back-to-back inside candles, but already up above them, and we want to watch these Fibonacci levels. This is a new grid that I ran from this high down to that low, and you have 41.53 and then 41.98, and you can see here we're trying to bang up against, well, we did actually bang up against 41.53 already, so if we can get through that, then we're looking at 41.98. Still in wait-and-see mode here. I still think intraday is the way to take these currencies for now. Don't really see anything setting up on a swing basis. I mean, look at this. Here's the Aussie dollar. If you remember what I was saying about this, I was looking for this to push lower, but I was going to wait for the candle to form. Instead, it broke lower on Wednesday, but only by a little bit, and then came back up. So a lot of traps here, a lot of whipsaws, right? First the trap up here. Okay, it's breaking. No, it's not. Then the breakdown here. So getting a little tough here as far as the swing trade's going. It's not going to last forever. But for the time being, I mean, look at this. Look at this action in the yen. The swings just aren't there in a lot of these pairs and crosses here. And, sure, there's still some moves. And, I mean, even the loonie here, who, I think looks bullish and could probably test the upper Keltner line here. I mean, look at it, just going sideways. So no need to force anything here. All right, a couple of trades that were potentially setting up that we didn't take, and it wound up saving money, it appears, because they were fake outs to one way and then wound up going the other way. I mean, here's a potential trade in the Euro-Swiss cross, right? You got a little wedge here, so you can watch to see if it can break with a stop underneath here, but no official triggers on these. Maybe there'll be something setting up for Friday, but with the long weekend coming, I don't know. But we'll look at the crosses and the pairs again, and we'll see if anything's setting up. Here's another example, right? The Aussie yen, nice coil, breaks down and then comes back up. A lot of trapping here, a lot of trapping, and I don't know if this was enough, this little break here, to be enough to move stops, etc. So, the only thing that went nuts here is this Kiwi loonie, which didn't set up the second bar, only the little pause here, right? It broke, then it paused, and then it went higher into the upper Keltner here, but the Aussie CAD could be setting up something here, but if it's going to set up a sidecar like I was talking about yesterday, I want to give this a couple of days, and then maybe it'll set up a little coil here, something like this, and I'm just form-fitting them now. I want to give this at least one more session. So that's it. Forex video, no triggers, just a couple of levels to watch here. And be back tomorrow with another update. Have a great trading day on Thursday.